Good afternoon. My name is Allie Chronic, and we are going to be analyzing mass media and popular culture through the sociological perspective, utilizing magazines and their advertisements. When analyzing mass media and pop culture advertisements, what should you look for? Consider the following. What is being advertised? Who is the intended audience? Why should you buy or use this product or service? The what? That is the product itself. That is the service itself. Who is the intended audience? Who are they trying to target with their products or with their service? Is it a specific race? Is it a specific gender? Or even is it a specific social class? All things factored in make up the audience, and the audience will definitely tailor how the advertisement is presented. The why. Why should you buy or use this product or service? How is it going to benefit you as a person? How is it going to make you function better in society? When looking at advertisements, it's so important to understand the why, to understand why are they advertising this? What is the purpose? Is it for a bigger cause? Is it solely to get you to purchase it? What is their goal, and how is it going to make you a better person in society? What does advertising do? I know myself, advertising is something that I get confused with propaganda, with promotion. So really, what is advertising? Well, advertising shapes our consciousness. It shapes how we perceive things, how we go about our day-to-day life. Advertising tells us what to dream and how to pursue those dreams. What we see through pop culture, what we see through mass media, that is what we are more likely to lean towards when it's presented so grand and when it's presented in a way that really appeals to our emotions and what we enjoy as people. That's going to influence how we dream and how we tailor our future lives. Advertising provides us with a concept of the good life. What is the good life? Now that is something that I can't tell you. That is for you to choose. But the good life overall really is the American dream. That's what we all think of as the good life. The fancy cars, the monetary things, everything that you see surface level is the good life, and that's what people advertise. That's what people tend to lean towards. Advertising equates shopping and acquisition with emotional fulfillment, freedom, fun, happiness, security, and self-satisfaction. What does that mean? That means advertising products and advertising things, they're trying to get you to see that equates to a better life, that is going to shape who you are as a person. So let's take a deeper look at what these advertisements really do and how they appeal to people. For this presentation, I decided to analyze Us Weekly magazine. I have read magazines for years, and as mass media and pop culture have developed and become so large and technology has taken over, we don't necessarily look towards magazines to get our news or to get our info. Things are advertised to us via social media, and that is where we really get our information. Us Weekly, my initial thoughts, definitely seem to target an audience of women. Women love gossip. It is our nature. We love to know. We are inherently nosy people. We inherently want to know more. The ages that seemed very apparent were between the bracket of 18 to 35. 18 being young women who are up and coming and want to start creating their life and want to start emulating what they see, all the way up to people who are already established and may want to try something new. The magazine had several advertisements. Most of them were indirect advertisements, meaning they weren't very flashy saying, go buy this. They tailored their words very precisely. Us Weekly promotes the latest pop culture news and celebrity trends. Is it going to be in touch with reality? Very unlikely. Promoting pop culture and celebrity trends is a sociological way of reeling people in. And like I said earlier, it was very much gossipy. So for the first advertisement, what is this? A stack fit for a star. Take your performance to the next level with this buzzworthy brand of supplements sweeping Hollywood. So right off the bat, you see how this is trying to really reel you in. So let's consider the questions. What? What are they trying to sell? They're trying to advertise workout supplements. Who is it aimed towards? These workout supplements and means to make you a quote-unquote healthier person are aimed towards women, and they use celebrity appeal, using celebrity athletes and trainers as the agents of socialization to portray what the product does. Now, agents of socialization are social groups, institutions, and individuals that provide structured situations in which socialization takes place. They're the people we look towards. They're the people who promote the change. Why? Why would you sell this? What is the message behind this? How is this going to benefit people, and what are they trying to convey? Well, it portrays that those who use this product will gain the same results as the model. Quite frankly, that's unrealistic. Using this model as an example does not represent the masses. It's not a proper representation of data. The language used in the advertisement on the product itself sends a message that in order to be exercising efficiently and to be getting the results you want, you need these products. The language is so big because it really manipulates the people, and it manipulates how you view these products and how you view yourself. Maybe I'm not doing the right thing. Maybe I'm not getting the results I want because I don't have these products. It sends a message and places norms onto celebrities as though their culture places heavy emphasis on physique. Celebrity norms are just not reality. Norms are rules or guidelines regarding what kinds of behavior are acceptable and appropriate within a particular culture. And it doesn't account, like I said, for the masses. Sheet Home Office Essentials. Now, this advertisement was definitely indirect. What were they trying to advertise? Home office essentials that you need in order to, and I quote, get the job done. Who is it aimed towards? It's very, very apparent that it is aimed towards women who may work from home or have an office space of some sort. It seemingly appeals to middle upper class people in society, as many of the items that are advertised are rather pricey. What's the why? What's the message behind this? Why are they advertising these things? Why are they saying that this is going to help you get the job done? Really, it's conveying that in order to be functional and get the job done, you should buy these products. These items are simply a front, and sends a message to those who work from home that if they want to get the job done with style, that they need the products. A front in dramaturgical perspective is the setting or scene of performances that helps establish the definition of the situation. These things, these products, are helping to establish what it is. It merely is to look good. It is to present yourself well in hopes that will attract people. Like I said earlier, advertisement is a way to reel people in. And by having flashy products or products that seem like they're going to help you because they look good, that's what people are going to be drawn to. People are by nature drawn to beauty, drawn to beautiful things that appeal to them. What else is it trying to convey? These items may help you reach an achieved status. For those who don't know what an achieved status is, it's a status that's earned through individual effort. working towards what you want. Achievement, being an achiever. The status that you get and the status that you hold is because of your hard work. Analyzing mass media and popular culture. Closing comments. Mass media and popular culture emphasize many sociological concepts and ideas through advertisements. Advertisements tend to appeal to societal trends rather than the majority of groups. When analyzing advertisements, it's very important to analyze them from a sociological perspective. Advertisements are tailored to appeal to their audience. They want you to buy the product and believe that you need it. Their aim is to sell the products as if they will make you a better functioning being. If you purchase these items, you in society are contributing and you will be better. And lastly, what is presented on the front stage is not an accurate representation of the backstage. Don't believe everything that you see in the mass media. Thank you.